In current days, we're facing a lot of challenge in outdoor power deployment, which we can see here. We have more and more service in the future. We can see that smart traffic, grid power grid, LoRa, industrial control. We have very complex applications, and every applications is quite different. So it gives the different requirement on the outdoor power solution. You have to consider many things. Let's see here. You have to consider from power part, you have to consider the UPS, solar, and battery, surge protection, solar part. And the in-network part also is different. Different scenarios probably will face different kind of backhaul condition, right? Sometimes you have to use microwave, sometimes you have to use LTE, sometimes you have fiber, use router and switch. It's quite different. And the environment is also different. You see that you have in some area in Europe in the winter you have to consider heater for the battery, these kind of things. But in some area the humidity is very high, you have to consider very well for the waterproofing problems. And for installation is another challenge because in all the parts you have to consider a lot of things like a cable integration of the system, on-site installation, the pole design, these kind of things. Now, other than this, we also have to consider monitoring and maintenance. So actually, these things, this is changeable. The requirement is changeable, and the technical part for the outdoor solution, we also is very complex. So we see it's a complex plus complex, make the job very very complex to do in the future. So if we don't change our mind to use another way to do the job, I think the problem will be a very big problem, especially for the operation part.